Ever wished your SharePoint lists could magically appear in Power BI? Well, good news, they can. In this presentation, we'll walk through the steps to import SharePoint Online Lists into Power BI. First, we'll understand why it's beneficial, then cover the prerequisites, and finally dive into the step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll be a pro at integrating your lists seamlessly. Let's make your data work for you. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Before we dive in, let's get acquainted. SharePoint Online is your digital filing cabinet, while Power BI is like your all-knowing data wizard. When these two team up, magic happens, data flows seamlessly, insights emerge, and decision-making gets easier. We're about to explore how these tools work together, so buckle up for an exciting ride. So why should you bother using SharePoint Online Lists in Power BI? Simple, because your data deserves better. With SharePoint, your lists stay organized and accessible, while Power BI transforms them into stunning visual reports. Real-time collaboration means everyone stays on the same page, literally. And best of all, Microsoft makes it all work seamlessly together. Let's make your data smarter. Before we start clicking buttons, let's make sure we have everything we need. First, you need a SharePoint Online account with the right permissions, because gatekeeping is real. Next, install Power BI Desktop so you can actually do the magic. You also need your SharePoint site URL, which is basically your treasure map. And finally, you'll authenticate with your Microsoft account, because security matters. All right, let's get started. Step 1, open Power BI Desktop. If you don't have it installed, well, time for a quick download. Make sure you're signed in, because Power BI loves knowing who you are. Set up a new report or open an existing one, your choice. Once you're ready, we're diving into the world of SharePoint connections. Excited yet? Now we're moving to the Get Data section, aka the gateway to all things Power BI. First, go to the Home tab, then find the magic button Get Data. Click it and then select More, because of course SharePoint hides under extra options. But don't worry, we're about to pull your list into Power BI like a pro. Here comes the crucial part, selecting SharePoint Online List as your data source. No guessing, just click it. Then type in your SharePoint site URL. Make sure it's the right one. No one wants to end up in a random corner of the internet. Authenticate with your Microsoft account and boom, you can now pick the list you want to import. All right, let's kick things off by picking the right data. We start by opening Power BI and connecting to the data source. Pretty straightforward, right? Then we use the navigator to explore the options. Finding the perfect list is like choosing the best dish at a buffet. You want the one with all the good stuff. Once selected, hit confirm and move ahead. Easy peasy. Now comes the fun part, loading the data. You've picked your list, so hit load and bring it into Power BI. You've got two options, import for static data or direct query for real-time magic. Don't forget to check the formatting, because messy data is like scrambled eggs when you ordered sunny side up. Finally, do a quick check to make sure everything landed safely. Welcome to the data makeover stage. Think of Power Query as your digital stylist. It helps clean, filter, and shape data into something polished. First, open Power Query Editor and wave goodbye to the messy stuff. Then tweak it, merge, split, and adjust columns like an artist. Once it's looking good, hit apply and let Power BI do the magic. Time to make things pretty. Data alone can be dull, but visuals bring it to life. Choose the right visualization, bar charts, pie charts, or maps, and drag those fields onto the canvas like an artist filling a blank space. Add some formatting magic, make it clear, and let your insights shine. A well-designed report speaks for itself. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.